Since energy is released from nutrients when carbon is oxidized, let's look at the oxidation states of carbon to better understand them. It's important to understand the oxidation states of carbon because this tells us how much chemical energy is stored in carbon-rich molecules, such as the food we eat. In methane, the carbon atom is bound to 4 hydrogen atoms. This carbon atom is in its most reduced state. The carbon atom of methane has gained 4 electrons. Carbon has a greater attraction for electrons than does hydrogen, so carbon gets 4 electrons from hydrogen. In carbon dioxide, the carbon atom is in its most oxidized state. It is bound to 2 oxygen atoms, a loss of 4 electrons. Oxygen has a greater attraction for electrons than does carbon, so carbon loses 4 electrons to the oxygen. The state of the carbon atoms in glucose is somewhere between those in methane and carbon dioxide. Each carbon atom in glucose is bound to hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. Let's see how well you understand the oxidation states of carbon. Of the 2 molecules shown, which molecule contains the more reduced form of carbon? Click on the more reduced molecule. Yes, that's correct. No, that's incorrect. The carbon atoms in A are bound to more hydrogen atoms, and therefore are more highly reduced than the carbon atoms in B. The molecule in A resembles a fat, whereas the molecule in B resembles a sugar. Because the carbon in fat is more reduced than the carbon in sugar, fat contains more energy and hence more calories than sugar. We store excess calories as fat because fat is rich in energy. The breakdown products of fat enter the TCA cycle. Although carbohydrates, such as glucose, do not contain as much energy as fats, carbohydrate metabolism is still very important. We metabolize carbohydrates for quick energy. The anaerobic process of glycolysis is faster than aerobic metabolism. This is why sprinters obtain their energy anaerobically.